Sundown ZV?
NSV4s.
NSV4s, okay.
Just on a 2.8K right now.
Okay.
Wired at half.
All right. Wow. All right. Awesome.
This creation's right here.
What's up, man? Hey, you built this? Yeah. Nice work, man.
Thank you.
Really musical.
That was quite surprising.
What is the tuning on the back end?
24.
24? Okay. That's how I load that low end. Yeah. Low end.
It's supposed to be on 16K, Crossfire.
Crossfire? Okay. And what is it on now?
Just a Twisted Sounds 2.8.
2.8. Wow. Pretty good. They're going to be in.
Yeah, I like yours.
For it to be doing that, it's doing a 50 at 20 and a 53 at 27.
Okay. Nice. All right.
Yep.
You happy with it?
Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
definitely.
It's going to be even wilder when you get it all
Oh, yeah,
updated.
exactly.
Yes, sir.
And that's what I can't wait for.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Zachary.
Zachary. Jacob. Nice to meet you, Zach. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yep, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Woo. I'm going to go look at the amp. Yeah. But just one little amp, dude.
One little Twisted Sound,
Yeah.
2.8. It's wired at 0.5, rising to like 2 to 3 ohms. Only clamped like 2,200 watts out of it.
Yeah.
On 612s. Peaking at like 27, it did a 53 something.
Nice. That's pretty good. Yeah.
One day it'll get loud.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.